Hold up, are you uploading your personal photos to Google Gemini? We're breaking down the viral AI generation trend, taking over Instagram and asking the critical question: is it safe? We'll tell you what these apps are really doing with your images and the risks involved. And speaking of Google Gemini, it's absolutely crushing it. Discover how the Gemini app, fueled by the buzz around its Nano banana AI feature, has rocketed to the #1 spot on app stores across India and beyond. Is this the new king of AI chatbots? Next up, a massive development in the crypto world. The SEC is nearing a settlement with the Winklevoss twins Gemini over their controversial earn program. We've got the inside scoop on this potential game changer for the crypto industry and what it means for Gemini's future. And finally, a head-scratcher for Gemini users. Are your chats disappearing? We're investigating why Google Gemini conversations might be vanishing, and more importantly, what you can do to save your important data. Don't go anywhere. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Your photos on Gemini, safe or sorry? Are you caught up in the AI photo craze, sharing your personal images with tools like Google Gemini? From the trending retro Sari looks to 3D figurines and Studio Ghibli-style avatars, users are diving headfirst into AI-generated content. But have you stopped to think about the privacy implications of uploading your photos? We're exploring the critical question: how safe is it, really, to share your images with AI apps, and what happens to them afterward? Most AI applications, including Google Gemini, process your images to create stunning results. But the real concerns lie in data retention and user consent. Do these apps store your photos? Can they use them to train future AI models? Are they shared with third parties? The risks are significant, ranging from misuse of facial recognition data and potential surveillance to data breaches and identity theft. Plus, there's the hidden danger of unknowingly agreeing to let apps use your images for training or commercial purposes. Google's privacy policy states that your data may be used to improve AI models only if you opt in, and uploaded images are temporarily stored for processing, potentially longer for feedback. The good news: you can manage and delete your data through your Google accounts, My Activity section, and crucially, Google allows you to disable data sharing in your privacy settings. Despite these safeguards, a 2023 Mozilla Foundation study found that 80% of popular AI apps have unclear data policies or make opting out difficult. Norton's report indicates that while many are concerned about AI misuse, a significant portion still don't read the terms and conditions. So, what's the takeaway? Always read the privacy policy, avoid uploading sensitive images, opt out of data training, stick to trusted apps, and regularly clear your app data. AI image tools are fun, but before you upload your next picture, ask yourself: do I know where this image is going and how it will be used? Don't stop now. We're just getting started with the AI revolution. Next, we're diving into how Google Gemini is dominating the app stores with a viral new feature. Gemini's App Store domination, the Nano banana effect. AI photo generation is the hottest trend, and Google Gemini is riding the wave straight to the top. The Gemini AI chatbot app has soared to the #1 position on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store in India, thanks to the explosive popularity of its Nano banana image editing AI model. This feature has ignited a new viral trend, with users flooding social media with AI-generated images. This surge isn't just a blip. Gemini's climb is directly linked to the Nano banana model, which has reportedly been used to edit over 500 million images since its launch. The Gemini app is also topping charts in the US, Canada, and the UK, attracting over 23 million new users in just a couple of weeks. This mirrors ChatGPT's earlier success with its Ghibli AI trend. But Gemini is now emerging as a major contender, even surpassing ChatGPT in some App Store rankings. The Nano banana feature lets users transform photos into specific styles or even seamlessly edit them to include celebrities. While free users can generate up to 100 images daily, subscribers to Gemini AI Pro or Ultra get a massive boost, with the ability to create 1,000 images per day. This powerful and accessible tool is clearly resonating with users, driving unprecedented downloads and engagement. This rapid ascent highlights the immense public appetite for creative AI tools. The success of Nano underscores Google's ability to capture the zeitgeist and deliver features that go viral, solidifying Gemini's position as a leading AI chatbot. But it's not all about viral trends. There's a major legal development happening in the crypto space too. Get ready for news on the SEC and the Winklevoss twins Gemini and their Earn program. SEC nears settlement with Gemini over Earn program. In a significant development for the cryptocurrency industry, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has reached a preliminary settlement with Gemini Trust, the platform founded by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. This agreement aims to resolve the SEC's lawsuit concerning Gemini's Earn program, potentially closing the case by December 15th. The news emerged from a court filing in Manhattan, where both the SEC and Gemini's legal teams indicated they have agreed to settlement terms, pending final SEC approval. This breakthrough comes just days after Gemini's successful initial public offering, IPO, which valued the company at approximately $3.3 billion and saw its stock rise 16% on its first trading day. The timing suggests Gemini is eager to put its legal challenges behind it and focus on its future as a compliance-focused platform. The lawsuit stemmed from the Gemini Earn program, which allowed users to lend their crypto assets, like Bitcoin, to Genesis Global Capital in exchange for interest. However, when Genesis filed for bankruptcy, many users were unable to recover their funds. The SEC accused Gemini and Genesis of selling unregistered securities, violating federal laws. Gemini has consistently denied wrongdoing, but the legal battle has loomed over its operations. This settlement could be a pivotal moment for Gemini, potentially restoring investor confidence and attracting new institutional partners. For the broader crypto industry, it might signal a shift in how the SEC handles such cases, favoring settlements over lengthy litigation. This approach could provide a clearer path forward for digital asset firms navigating complex regulations. If finalized, this settlement could serve as a blueprint for resolving past regulatory disputes while encouraging companies to adhere to future digital asset rules. For Gemini, it's a crucial step toward rebuilding trust and solidifying its position in a competitive market. From legal battles to disappearing chats, AI continues to surprise us. Next up, we're tackling a frustrating issue for Google Gemini users. Are your conversations vanishing into thin air? Disappearing Gemini chats, what's happening and how to save your data. If you're a regular user of Google Gemini, you might have encountered a baffling and frustrating issue. Your chat history is disappearing. Reports indicate that Google is automatically deleting Gemini conversations, sometimes wiping out days' worth of AI-generated dialogue. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. For those relying on Gemini for long-term projects, research, or business purposes, losing critical data can have significant consequences. The auto-delete phenomenon doesn't seem to affect every user, but the risk is substantial enough to be a deal-breaker for many, especially those using Gemini as a Google Assistant alternative or for complex tasks. While Google hasn't offered an official fix, and the problem has persisted for months across web and app versions, there are workarounds to preserve your valuable conversations. To combat this, you can manually back up your chats. A simple method is to create a Google Doc and paste your Gemini conversations into it. For users of Google AI Studio, there's an option to customize the tool to auto-save chats and activities to Google Cloud. Beyond Google's ecosystem, any cloud backup service can be utilized. This includes programs like Microsoft OneNote or the Notes app on macOS. Even a quick email or text message of your chat results can serve as a temporary backup. While it's disappointing that Google hasn't resolved this issue, especially with the rollout of new Gemini Pro features, proactive steps can safeguard your data. By taking a few moments to save your important chats, you can ensure that your AI-generated insights and progress aren't lost. That's all the AI news you need to know for today. But stick around for a rapid-fire recap of all the top stories and our full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's AI news. We covered the privacy concerns with uploading photos to Google Gemini, Gemini's explosive rise to the top of the app stores thanks to Nano Banana, the SEC nearing a settlement with Winklevoss-Led Gemini over their Earn program, and the frustrating issue of disappearing Google Gemini chats. Don't miss out on future updates. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, leave a comment below telling us what you think, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you in the next one.